Hello, my dear students. Welcome to my Easy Maths class. Today, we will discuss with various problems belong to section formulas because already these have been done within our syllabus, right? So all of you already knew it. That is all the formulas. All of you know that the formula of distance between 2 points, if a straight line is intersected but by the certain ratio, at what point that particular straight line is being intersected. So all these things. So here I have found few interesting problems from various books. So I would like to share these problems with you and hope all of you will be benefited from this. First, go through the problem carefully. What is given? Find the ratio by which the line segment obtained by joining 4, 5 and 7 minus 1 is divided by the straight line 5x plus 4y is equal to 4. Okay, it means there are two straight lines intersecting each other. One equation of one straight line given 5x plus 4y is equal to 4. Another straight line is not given. Equation of another straight line is not given. What is given? It is being asked here by what ratio any straight line can be intersected. What straight line? Whose two terminal points are 4, 5 and 7 minus 1. Okay. And through that point, this particular straight line going through. Right? Try to understand. Actually, there are two straight lines, one straight line given, another is not given. Let the ratio by which the straight line joining these 2 points be m is to n. Okay. Find the ratio by which the line segment obtained by joining these 2 points. Let the required ratio be m is to n. It means any line segment, say any line segment is being divided by the ratio m is to n whose two terminal points are 4, 5, or line segment whose 2 points are 4, 5 and 7 minus 1, right? And say through this point, we don't know. There is another important point that I must mention is we don't know whether this particular ratio, that is the particular section, will be divided internally or externally. That here it is being considered. Okay, let the ratio be m is to n. At the end, after getting the values, we will come to know whether the section is, that is whether the division is external division or internal division. So let the required ratio be m is to n. Therefore, the point of division will be then the point of division will be mx2, that is 7m plus 4n by m plus n and minus m plus 5n by m plus n. Okay. So we got the point, there is a coordinate of the point where that particular straight line is being intersected. Let the ratio be m is to n, but we don't know whether that intersection is external division or internal division. Okay. Now, since another straight line is passing through this point, right, this point to intersection, the formula of the straight line is given as 5x plus 4y is equal to 4. Okay, it means this particular point where that unknown straight line is divided, through that point the given straight line is passing, it means intersecting. So these 2 points must satisfy it. Okay. By the problem, those 2 points, by the problem, that intersecting point will satisfy 5x plus 4y, 5x plus 4y is equal to 4, right? That is, we can say, so hope all of you understand what is happening actually. The point intersection through which these 2 points are being divided by the ratio m is to n, through that point this straight line is also passing, right? Okay, so this particular point to intersection, that is these 2 points, these 2 particular ordinate and abscissa, x coordinate and y coordinate, both will pass through this straight line, right? So this straight line will be satisfied. 5 x will be replaced by 7m plus 4n by m plus n plus 4 minus n 5n by m plus n, that is equal to 4, or m plus n 35m 20n minus 4m plus 20n, or 31m is equal to 4m plus 4n, or 31m minus 4m is equal to 40n, or 27m is equal to minus 36n, or m by n is equal to minus 36 by 27, that is minus 4 by 3. So we have found the ratio, but one thing, already we have found the ratio by which this particular straight line joining this point will be divided, but externally, because here it is minus. Therefore, the question is, find the ratio by which the line segment obtained by joining this is divided. Therefore, the required ratio is 4:3 externally, Okay, try to understand. Actually, there are two straight lines. Point to intersection is this point, right? Which is being divided by the ratio m is to n, but the division could be internal or external, that we don't know, right? Let the ratio be m is to n. So we have found the point to intersection, that is the coordinate of the point we have found. After then this particular, since this particular point is common to both the straight lines, so this point will satisfy the next straight line. Therefore, for second straight line, x is being replaced by this x coordinate and y is being replaced by this y coordinate, and that m by n is found as minus 4 by 3. That is the required ratio is 4:3. Very, very interesting and important problem. I'll be back with another same type of problem. Another very, very interesting problem. The straight line 4x plus 3y minus k is equal to 0 intersects x-axis and y-axis at A and B respectively. Okay, both the axes are being intersected by these straight lines at A and B. We have to find the coordinate of the point at which that straight line is divided internally by 2:1. First, let us draw a rough sketch. Rough sketch means so that we will have idea what is going on. Right, this sketch will help you to ascertain what is happening actually. Okay. Let 4x plus 3y minus k intersect x-axis at A and y-axis at B, right? This 4x plus 3y minus k is equal to 0. This one is the straight line passing through x-axis and y-axis intersecting at A and B. Okay. First, we have to find the coordinates of A and B. This particular straight line passing through x-axis at A and y-axis at B. First, we have to find the point of coordinate at A and B. All of you know one thing is that any straight line, when passing through x-axis at a point, so along x-axis, all the points will have y coordinate 0. And along y-axis, all the points will have x coordinate 0. Okay, so at A, the y coordinate will be 0. At B, the x coordinate will be 0. Right? So, let us find the coordinates at A and B. Okay. The coordinate at A is putting y is equal to 0. All of you know along x-axis all the y coordinate will be 0 for all the points. Okay. It would be y is equal to 0 means x is equal to, this should be x0, that is it should be putting 4x plus 3 into 0 minus k, that is x is equal to k by 4. So the coordinate will be k by 4 comma 0. Okay, similarly let's find the coordinate at B. The coordinate at B will be say 0 comma y, right? Coordinate at A, x, y coordinate will be 0, and coordinate at B, y coordinate will be, x coordinate will be 0. So putting 0 here, 4 into 0 plus 3y minus k, that is y is equal to k by 3. So we have found the coordinates at A and B. At A, the point of coordinate is k by 4 comma 0. Because by putting y is equal to 0, x have been found as k by 4, and at B, by putting x is equal to 0, y is equal to found k by 3. So k by 4 comma 0 and 0 comma k by 3. We got the coordinates at A and B. Now we have to find the coordinate at the point where AB is being divided. Let at point P it is divided by the ratio, say m is to n. Let AB is divided by m is to n. Okay, let AB is divided by m is to n at P. At P. Okay, please go through the diagram. AB is being divided by the ratio m is to n. Now we have to find out the point of coordinate at P. Therefore, the coordinate at P will be mx2, that is because here m means 2 is to 1, okay? M means actually 2 is to 1. So we can replace this m by n by 2 is to 1. 2 is to 1. Here also we can replace it by 2 is to 1. Therefore, mx2, it means this particular coordinate is k by 4 0. Here it is 0 comma k by 3. It means mx2 plus nx1 by 3 and my2 that is y1 by 3, that is coming as k by 12, and here it is coming as 2k by 3. Okay, try to understand. First, we have found the point of coordinate at A and B. Since this straight line passing through AB, that is intersecting x coordinate and y coordinate at A and B, by putting y is equal to 0, we have found k by 4 and 0, and by putting x coordinate 0, you have found 0 comma k by 3. Let this particular AB is being divided by the ratio m is to n, which is 2 is to 1. So a later point at P. Now we have to find the point of coordinate at P. P means by using the formula mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n and my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. We have found k by 12 and 2k by 3. 2k by 9. Okay. 2k by 9. So this one is our answer. So my dear students, very carefully you have to do all the problems. This particular problem is a bit delicate because first you have to understand what is happening. For that you need to have a rough sketch, and then from that sketch, step by step, you can go to the solution. Okay, so during our next class we will discuss this sort of very interesting and important problem for your upcoming exam. Topic could be different. Okay, so this is enough for today. Goodbye my dear students.